yeah, when we're getting done by Leicester, Burnley, Wolves.
This is the club we support, even though
you and I choose to support my club based off of the trophies I've witnessed and the fucking standards I've seen in my life with this club.
This problem is not an Arteta problem. It started before he got here.
No, it's a fan base problem. Yeah, and the problem is
okay. Then when I digress to the question, and I asked you, do you think Arsenal are heading in a different direction? No.
No, I do. I think they're heading in the most fucking bullshit direction I've ever seen in my entire life supporting a club.
But now, I'm like, I know. Okay, you'll be an Arteta out from day one, right?
Yeah, I didn't want him. Based on evidence. Based on evidence.
And I'm never going to change your opinion, and I'm not going to disrespect it. If you want to hate him, hate the guy. That's up to you. However, I'm saying to you right now, Arsenal are headed in a different direction.
Yeah, they are. They're heading in the worst direction ever because the season tickets are going up, the beer's going up, the food's going up, the football's getting worse. We've got towels on the side of the pitch, yeah? Yeah, we're playing like Stoke fucking City. We've got our best players sat on the fucking bench, and we've got an army of spastic that have latched onto this football club because of Arsene Wenger, yeah, was winning shit, yeah? And now he won this trophy, the FA Cup, this manager, yeah? He binned off every single player that started the final, spent £1 billion, and seconds are apparently amazing. Yeah, guess what? Well, second ain't fucking amazing to me. You got ex-players like Ian Wright, Ray Parlour, yeah, and all these other fucking media lovies that are fucking skint, yeah, coming out chatting shit. Do you notice how the ones that come out and spit the facts are the ones that have got fucking statues or were the best players and won World Cups? Manu Petit, Freddie Ljungberg, best players, yeah, TT, proper players. You see all these cunts that come out chatting shit, yeah? They're the ones that never saved their money, mate. They're the ones that are sitting on TalkSport like Martin Keown, yeah, chatting absolute garbage. Ray Parlour, garbage, yeah. You got all these ex-players that are on the payroll, yeah, chatting crap. Why to keep their gig going? Theo Walcott's the latest one, yeah. Theo Walcott's another one, mate. Yeah, I'm sick to death of this football club. This football club, could you imagine, yeah, Fuad? Like I said, and I keep rephrasing and putting it back to it, you're a very similar age to me. You have seen multiple trophies, doubles, winning the league at Old Trafford, winning the league at White Hart Lane, winning a Cup Winners' Cup, doing a Cup double. Yeah, 17 trophies I've seen in my lifetime. So you're there or thereabouts the same, if not more, right? Real talk, yeah? 5 fucking years and £1 billion with no trophy. Yeah, I'm sick of it. And we've got an army of spastic sitting there going, well, never seen Man City play like that before. Nobody cares, bruv. This manager, it's not a hate thing. It's not a this and that. Give the job to Mr. fucking Blobby. And I swear, the day this manager goes here, you better back the next manager out. You back this one. 6 years, £1 billion. I don't want to hear no negativity from you because it'll be roles reversed and I can do it better. Yeah, because I swear down, Fuad, yeah? Swear down. We went to Anfield and fucking limped out of there with a 1-0 loss. Fair enough, screamer. We didn't even lay a glove on them. We're the pretenders, not them. They don't have to beat us because they know we're shit. Yeah, Man City have done what they've done with Pep. We're at home. We go and take the game to them. Oh, but Liverpool are at home. Liverpool don't need to beat us, mate. We're supposed to go and lay a marker down. We're supposed to go and lay a marker down against Man City. Instead, we're knee sliding for 2 minutes in a corner flag while the fucking newest player is putting the ball on the centre circle. And he's on 75 grand a week, while that dickhead's on 180 grand a week doing 25 celebrations for 3 fucking minutes. Yeah. And our fans going, well, I've never seen Pep play like that. Cool. How about I'll see you in 5 years, 7 years, 4 years, whatever it may be. Yeah. Let's see what he's won compared to Pep. I'd take Conte at Arsenal in a heartbeat. I'd take Matthias Giselle in a heartbeat. And I'm going to say this, I'm going for a piss, yeah? The day this cunt leaves this football club, yeah, will be bigger than the day fucking Wenger fucked off. Yeah, it'll be bigger. And I swear, I promise you right now, every excuse you and all these top gooners have used for this manager for the last 6 years, I'm doing it 10 times better. Yeah? No, don't care if we lost 5-0. It's part of the process, mate. He needs all his pieces. He inherited a mess. I'll use every excuse, and I'm sarcastic and petty as fuck. Every single one of you are culpable as to why this manager is still at this football club. You come up with excuse after excuse after excuse. Yeah, no way would you have sat there chatting shit like this about Unai Emery because you wanted him out, so did everyone else. Yeah, I was going to games back then, Fuad. Yeah, I was in the stadium. They didn't fucking want him, mate. They were booing.
I didn't mind Emery, to be honest with you.
Facts, cool, fantastic. You didn't mind him. But you didn't make up a billion excuses like you have for this manager who'd never managed a football club before in his entire life. Hold up. Never managed a football club before. Yeah, apart from one game that he lost, by the way. Yeah, Unai Emery is a serial winner at every club pretty much he's been at. He got us to a final. Yeah, this fan base have been polluted and brainwashed by the fucking mainstream media, all the ex-players, all the fucking fans that had jumped on Arsenal are retards on the internet. Yeah, so Arsenal was scary. Yeah, Flowers sitting there chatting shit in this title today. Oh, Arsenal criticism is too fucking much or something. Fuck off and support your own club, cunt. How about that? Leave my club alone. Yeah, how about that? Your club's fucking shambles. Yeah, why are you talking about my club? I'll support my club the same as you'll support your club how you want. It's our club, yeah.
Well,
but the fact and reality is, Fuad, yeah, I'm not negative for wanting to win, no matter how many times you want to spin it. Yeah, I've seen this club be great, the best. Yeah, yes, we ain't won a champs. I've seen them be the best. And you're telling me I'm supposed to accept Martin fucking Odegaard when I've seen Bergkamp? Get out of here, bruv. Nonny Madwakey. You, man, change your fucking tune on your knickers. Yeah. Oh, we don't want Madwakey. He's crap. Oh, but now he's here. We back him. No, you don't. Prove why you have to play for my club, cunt. Yeah. Ramsdale. Nobody wanted him. This fucking fan base was stood in that stadium en masse singing Ramsdale's fucking name while Raya is in goal, mate. Yeah. And then wonder why he made a mistake against Spurs. Why? Frankfurt, when Unai Emery was here, and I am gonna shut up after this. Frankfurt, see that fucking clock end, that fucking Ashburton bunch of twats, yeah? Right? They would jump in for joy, some of them, the ones that bothered to turn up that day, yeah? They would jump in for joy when Frankfurt scored against Unai Emery's Arsenal behind the clock end, mate. But now they want to be front and centre. Oh, we don't get any tickets and we put a TIFO together and they dismissed it. Fuck off, dickheads. Short memories. You were jumping for joy to get Unai Emery fucking sacked, celebrating Frankfurt goals, but I'm negative. Yeah? Cool. Crack on, lads. Yeah, because I'll tell you something, yeah, the day this wanker leaves this football club will be the biggest day in our club's history in my lifetime. Yeah, and the next manager, 100%. Every single fucking one of you that has backed this bullshit for 6 years, yeah, number one, don't chat to me, because I told you 3 weeks before you got the job. Number two, I don't want your apologies. Number three, back the fucking next manager, mate. Yeah, because you've got 6 years, 7 years, however long he stays here. Every single fucking day, I am doing exactly the same shit you lot have done.
Whoever comes in next, I'm backing him.
Cool. Mr. Bean it is then. I'll go for a piss. Yeah?
I'll tether him.
And I don't think we're in a mess. I don't think we're in that much mess. I think Arsenal this season, upstairs, they've cleaned everything up. Like when me and Matty speaks about Lauren Kenny, I find when Berta come in, look what's happened. Like Scott Ito out. Now this guy Tim Lewis out. Vina out. All these people who started this I think the people who Arteta got employed by and who backed him and all that.
Richard Garlick is still there, the guy who started the whole thing. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, Richard Garlick's only one person.
Also, these aren't just.
You just said they cleared it all out, but then it says,
Tim Lewis. Tim Lewis with the higher hairline than Mount Everest.
Ito's gone. The board.
Oh my God! You're on the way up. Trust me, that guy's gone. Oh my days. That hairline.
Garlick is literally the guy who, if you've ever seen the documentary on or nothing, he's the guy who came. Bro, he's the guy who came in and he was like, "Yeah, we got Aubameyang out for about £0."
Yeah, but you know what's changed your mind? I think what's changed mind of the Cronkies. What's changed the mind of the Cronkies? I think when they signed Gyökeres, they were shocked how much shirt sales they had of that one signing, and I was about to sign it.
Wow. So we're talking about shirt sales.
The money mad, bro. It's Americans, the money mad.
This is insane.
What changed about the Cronkies?
They're money mad. We haven't bought a player who had shirt sales like that in years. Did you know that?
Repeat that. What was it?
Listen,
what's changed?
Our American owners. Where's the lot? You're sitting here. How many Havertz tops do they sell?
I don't keep track because I don't give a shit.
No, exactly. So that's what I'm saying. You got to keep track in the club how the football works. Football just don't work on the pitch. It works with financial. That's how they think.
Look. This whole thing. I'm sorry, Lauren. Right? Because this whole thing deviated from me saying, I don't give a fuck about the finances of the club, right? And like it went into this whole tangent. Like I'm not wrong, right? Like This is where it just went to a whole thing. My bad. I didn't mean to like derail your point to this,
You did.
right? But yo, look,
Blue Dog, welcome to the club.
look. The point I was trying to make at first to Lou Dog's point was that I do not give a singular fuck, not a singular fuck, about how much money this club generates, it processes, how much it spends on players, how much it earns in revenue. Because I've been on, me and my boys have been part of a lot of that revenue. And like I know you guys like to say, oh, the match going fans and all that. Trust me, without international fans.